I am Glazimir Rosalio,
And today we're going to experiment a volcanic eruption.
So here are the safety tips on what to do before, during, and after the volcanic eruption. First, if you are in an area where there is a chance that an active volcano could erupt, you should seek advice from your local authorities. Second is prepare all necessary things to bring once evacuation is needed. Store as much food, water, first aid, and batteries that are very useful in case of an emergency. Third, make sure you know possible evacuation location. Fourth, make plans with your family. Your family may not be together when disaster strikes, so it is important on how you will contact one another, how you will get back together, and what will you do in case of an emergency. Fifth, if the volcano erupts and the air has too much gas or dust, breathe through a damp cloth. Sixth, listen to the safety advice given on the radio. And lastly, leave the affected area and go to a sheltered safe area or the evacuation points.
First is you need to avoid all low-lying places because lava flows and mud flows are more likely to pass. And seek cover in case of ash falls and rock falls. Use a mask or cloth to cover your mouth and nose to avoid breathing in ashes. Stay in the evacuation center until further instructions. Next is, do not attempt to leave the place unless told to do. If you are told to stay in your area, close all doors and windows to avoid ashes from getting inside. Next is to apply your emergency plan. And lastly, listen to the radio for instructions and updates. And that would be all the tips in during a volcanic eruption.
First is do not make any actions without further announcement. Second is clean everything around and check all damages incurred. And lastly, use cloth or mask when you are cleaning ash and other debris.
And now, here are the parts of the volcano, and allow me to explain it further. Magma. Magma is a molten rock that is located beneath the Earth's surface. Second is steel. Steel is formed when magma hardens in a crack of a volcano. Ash. Ash is a fragment of lava that blasted if the volcano will erupt. Kendet. Kendet is an underground passage where magma travels. Throat. Throat is an entrance of a volcano. Parasitic cone. Parasitic cone is a small shape of a volcano that is formed through the accumulation of volcanic debris. Vent. It was the opening of the Earth's surface that is where the volcanic materials escape. Next is the crater. Crater is the mouth of a volcano that is surrounded by the volcanic vent. Lastly, the ash cloud. It is formed by the volcanic explosion. That would be all for the different parts of the volcano.